This is Ever New with Word Inquiry, and I am Tahir. Today, the topic under discussion is in plant breeding and genetics, breeding methods in various self pollinated, cross pollinated, and vegetative propagated crops. So, let us discuss one by one. First, introduction. The introduction most commonly used in all type of crops like self-pollinated, cross-pollinated and vegetative propagated crops. Then next is selection. Under selection, we will discuss pure line selection, mass selection, progeny selection, clonal selection, and then recurrent selection. First of all, pure line selection. It most commonly used in self-pollinated crops, but rarely used in cross-pollinated crops and not used in vegetative propagated crops. Next is mass selection, rarely used in self-pollinated crops, most commonly used in cross-pollinated crops, and then rarely used in vegetative propagated crops. And next is progeny selection. It's not used in self-pollinated crops, most commonly used in cross-pollinated crops and similarly not used in vegetative propagated crops. Then next is clonal selection, only used in vegetative propagated crops. Then next is recurrent selection. It's also only used in cross-pollinated crops. Then next is methods like pedigree and backcross. Pedigree method most commonly used in self and as well as cross-pollinated crops, but not used in vegetative propagated crops. The next backcross method, this type of method used in all type of crops like self, cross and as well as vegetative propagated crops. Next is variety like multi-line variety, synthetic variety and composite variety. Under multi-line variety, this method used in only in self-pollinated crops. Then when we will discuss about synthetic and composite, these methods only used in cross-pollinated crops. Then next is breeding like mutation breeding, polyploidy, hybridization, transgenic and heterosis. When we see on mutation breeding, its use in self-pollinated crops and vegetative propagated crops, but not used in mass cross-pollinated crops. And then is polyploidy breeding. It's used only in vegetative propagated crops, and then hybridization used in all type of crops. Similarly, transgenic and heterosis breeding, these methods also used in all type of crops. This was all about the methods of breeding or techniques. Actually, plant breeding and genetics is the uh, discipline which use some techniques to get desirable traits like yield, etc. Thank you.